Hello and welcome to 5 Minutes with Tejas Bhambe. Today we have with us Shiban. Shiban has performed at various places in Pune and has also been on the radio for quite a few times. Today he is here with us to share his musical journey. To start with, tell us Shiban, when did you develop an interest in music and when did you start singing?
Hi Tejas. Okay, so the thing about singing is back in time, maybe I was in fourth or fifth grade, I don't know. My dad bought a karaoke at home as he was very fond of singing and listening to old songs of Mohammad Rafi, Kishore Kumar, Lata ji, Manna Dey. So I would just sit along with him and sing for fun, yaar, aise hi matlab. And then while growing up, I was deeply influenced by the singers of our generation at that time, which were Sonu Nigam, Shan, KK, Udit Narayan ji. I would just hum their songs ऐसे ही चलते फिरते कहीं भी bus while going to college, while walking on street. But at the same time, I was very shy to be taking part in any sort of competition at that point of time. And then eventually, I guess people started noticing my voice and they told me to take a proper vocal training in music.
Oh, nice. So what about music kept you glued to it and when did you start learning it?
Okay, as I said earlier, while listening to these legendary singers, I would sing their song, try to imitate them in a way. But what was the most surprising thing? It was how these people would absorb the music and give their originality to the song. And that what makes a song so beautiful. And that particular thing inspired me so much that I would just try to sing it in my way no matter how bad it sounded. And also, when I started to develop my skills, I came to know about this unique soft voice texture in my vocal tone, which I thought was a gift ready to be mastered.
Oh, so it's a nature's gift to you. But can you please tell us that can singing make you financially independent?
Okay, as an artist, you have to give up on a thing called financial independency for a while in your initial days. And I guess not only just music, any art form requires a hell lot of time to grow up your skills, man. So what I did and would suggest is at least doing a degree course or something which can be, you know, your option B for a safe side if things don't work out. I myself is a postgraduate and a music faculty for a school कि at least उतनी basic amount आ जाती है. And I'm forever indebted to my parents for showing trust in what I wanted to pursue while my friends were becoming chartered accounts, company secretary, engineers, and etc. etc. So, speaking about money, you need to be patient for a while as no one gives work to an amateur. But eventually, when you start enhancing your skills, people start noticing your talent, and the moment your name is all over the market, you start making good amount of money.
Oh, so that's a good thought. But everyone wish to grow in their respective fields. What are your plans? Do you wish to sing for the movies?
Who doesn't want to be into industry, right? But I am not that desperate into making my journey into Bollywood as of now. Because now the times have changed. You can see many artists and singers doing their independent and original music. Now you don't have to be dependent upon Bollywood for the world to recognize you, basically. You just need a mobile with a good camera, that's it. Who's stopping you?
Oh, so that's a nice plan. But Shiban, I'm sure there are many people who wish to pursue singing as their career option. You got any advice for them?
Okay, as I said earlier, you're not dependent anymore right now. Good singing and right vocal training can give you a lot of scope. You just need to update your skills every now and then. Don't stick to just one thing. Try to learn every genre of music, practice it. I am myself learning Indian classical from my guru Ustad Anwar Qureshi from almost 3 years now, I guess. Shastriya Sangeet is so deep, there's so much to learn that even a lifetime would not be enough. See, for example, Arijit Singh. He is a jack of all trades, be it any form, any language, any genre, he kills it everywhere. And what makes him versatile is his knowledge in every field.
Thank you, Shivan, for sharing your experiences with us. But we can't let you go without listening to a song from you. So please do the honors.
So recently we have lost two gems of our Bollywood industry, Rishi Kapoor ji and Irfan Khan sir. we have grown up watching their movies, and it felt like more of a personal loss to me and of course to all of us. So I would like to dedicate a song from his movie Piku. uh, I hope you guys love it. धीरे चलना है मुश्किल तो जल्दी ही सही, आँखों के किनारों में बहाने ही सही, हम चले बाहर गुनगुनाती राहों, धड़कनें भी तेज हैं अब क्या करें, वक्त है तो जीने, दर्द है तो सीने दे, ख्वाहिशें अनजाने हैं अब क्या करें।
What a delight this whole conversation has been, along with the melodious song in the end. Thank you so much for sharing your time and thoughts with us. It really isn't an easy journey, and not everyone can do it. But those who have the talent and passion, nobody can stop you. We wish you all the success for your future, Shiban. Keep singing. I've attached Shiban's all social media handles in the description box below. Please check them out. I hope you all like this content, and there is more interesting content coming up. So stay tuned for more details. Thank you.